How to fix Face ID is not available on your iPhone. If your Face ID is not working, then to solve this issue, this video is for you. For that, first of all, open your settings and go through the general. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you see shutdown option. Now shut down your device for at least 1 minute and check if your problem is solved. If your problem is still there, then go back to the settings home page. There you see Face ID and passcode option, tap on it. From there, you need to reset your Face ID. Once you reset Face ID, your problem might get solved. If it is still there, then on the top you will see general option under settings, tap on it. From there, scroll down a little bit, there is a transfer or reset iPhone. Hit on that and reset all of your settings. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.